How to make easy chicken kebab. Chicken kebabs are delicious. Follow the following steps and make a delicious one yourself. Even though there are many ways to make chicken kebab, but all of them come out delicious, and you can use your own favorite recipes. The kebab should have a high proportion of meat and be on a long skewer, much like the Greek and Turkish doner kebab. Well, first you need some red or yellow onions, garlic and tomatoes for flavor. Use lemon for sourness. Cilantro for freshness. It will better to use a food processor for the success of mixing all ingredients for this dish. Also you can chop them all then, mix together in a bowl. If you don't have a food processor, then it may be better to use ingredients such as spinach or zucchini which can be chopped with a knife. You also need a grate or barbecue. Now let's prepare your kebab for cook. 3 pounds breast chicken fillets, cut into 1-inch cubes. Add 6 cups of oil to cube chicken breast. 2 cups of red onion, finely chopped. 8 garlic cloves. 2 tablespoons ground coriander seed. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon ground turmeric powder. Add some kosher salt and fresh black pepper to taste. Mix all ingredients with chicken breast and cover it with plastic wrap. Keep the bowl of marinated meat in refrigerator for an hour. Now, skewer chicken cubes and zucchinis, tomatoes and chili peppers. Finally put all your skewers on a light fire that you prepared. Thank you for supporting us by subscribing to our channel and leaving comments.